Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Snapchat Plus settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and now here you'll find Snapchat Plus. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find Snapchat Plus on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. And now you can manage it as you want. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.